cheese on bread. You ain't say the head again.
All right, so today we're gonna show you how to install Broken Motorsports dual caliper Z32 bracket onto a G35. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and remove the factory caliper mounts. Now you saw me cutting off the tabs, and that's because the new dual caliper bracket has tabs for your foot brake and your hand brake. And you can see this is how it looks put together. And the reason why I'm keeping my hand brake bracket is so I can keep the parking brake when I park. Also, before I go ahead and assemble the knuckle, I'm gonna go ahead and swap out these two studs. And GK Tech sells a stud that is much longer, so you can have full engagement for these two nuts and bolts right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, knock these out, and you're gonna see me assemble the knuckle. There we go. Also, I went ahead and did spherical bushings from GK Tech also. All right, so once you get those two studs out, you go ahead, slide it in. Now get yourself a spacer to take up the space. This is a wheel stud puller when you're changing a wheel stud. Put that on. Do it this way because it has a bigger surface area in the back. Put that on. Put a nut on. And then you can see, well, you gotta seat it first. Why is there a fly? Like, see that? A fly, get off me. Anyways. And it pulls it through and seats it. So that one still has a little bit more. So I think that is good, nice and seated inside there. Perfect. And there you go. That's one. There we go. Just like that, that is done. All right, so you just saw me install the GK Tech studs for the handbrake bracket cable. That's what I'm gonna go with. And now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this knuckle for the dual caliper handbrake. Go ahead, slide that in. Turn it around. You're gonna go ahead and put these nuts on right here. These do not need any Loctite, but I'm gonna go ahead and Loctite these 4 bolts. Not too much, just enough. Now you can see the benefit of the GK Tech extended studs for your handbrake bracket. You got full engagement, so you can see full engagement for the bolts that they supply with the kit. So yeah, that is looking spicy. All right, so here everything is disassembled, and you already know the drill of how to assemble everything. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on the axle first. Oh wait, whew. Almost forgot a very important step. Make sure you slide it. The kit comes with a axle spacer, so see they have their logo here. You want to slide this on first, and then you can go ahead and slide the knuckle onto the axle. All right, everything is bolted down. Should be enough to get a cotter pin through there. I'm happy with that. Now assemble your brake shoes. Brake shoes back on. Everything is tightened, bolt checked. Everything underneath there is done, ready to go. All I have to do is adjust the brake shoes, and we will call it a day. All right, we are all done with the install. I hope this helps.
Yahoo!